Okay, so it's been a minute, but welcome back to the Natural Trust with Jess YouTube channel. I'm Jessica, and let's get into this video. So, as you all know, it's summertime. You know, we have our braids, or maybe we're holding on to our braids. But if your braids are looking old and dusty like mine, then you need to get this. It's the hair and scalp wipes, because we're about to refresh our knotless braids. Okay, so you can get these from the beauty supply store. You can get them online. I got mine from samsbeauty.com, and they were like, I think $1 or $2. But yeah, you're gonna take out a wipe, and then you're just gonna start wiping your scalp. Okay, so it's gonna get out any of that dandruff, any of that. You see all that dandruff in my hair? I've had these braids for 2 months. Okay, and my hair has grown out. Now, while I've had the braids in, I've been, of course, doing wiping them with the scalp wipes, scalp hair and scalp wipes. I've also been using like the Aunt Jackie's no rinse shampoo. So you can do that, or you can just literally get up under your faucet and wash your hair with soap and water, and then you can, if you feel like it's gonna get frizzy, you can just refresh it with these hair and scalp wipes. So I am going to show you this video in real time as I am doing it. So I haven't sped anything up, but yeah, I'm really trying to get in between the parts. And for this one, I'm only restyling, and you see, look at all that gook. You see that? It's so much gook in there. So much dandruff. Okay, it was a little dirty. Okay, so next I am taking the Nairobi wrap. It's like this mousse. Okay, and it's a good hold wrap and shine mousse. And I'm gonna spray each section. So I'm spraying one section, putting that mousse on, working it through. Okay, and then I'm going to start twisting, taking it, rolling it, twisting it towards the back of my head. Okay, you don't want to do the front of your head. You want the braids to go back, lay nicely. So I'm gonna take one braid, twist it, take the other one, just keep twisting it. You know, just to save time, I'm gonna take a third braid and I'm just gonna twist that. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep twisting. Take your time. So you're twisting once again towards the back. Okay, and then you're gonna put them together, and then you're gonna grab one of these double prong clips. You can get these at the hair store as well. You can get them online at the hair store. They have the single prong clip, but I like the double prong clip because I feel like it holds better. You're just gonna clip that to the root. Whenever you start to feel your hair getting dry, just spray the mousse, pump that mousse, and then you're gonna start twisting it towards the back. Okay, just keep twisting it, and you're gonna see all that new growth. You're just gonna twist it towards the back. And I like to do, you could either combine it with 2 or 3, just to save space. Because those clips, those prong clips take up a lot of space. So I'm trying to zoom in here so you can see. Okay, so you're twisting it. This is the other side. Okay, so you're twisting it towards the back. And just grabbing those clips. So you're just going to grab the clips. Okay, so you're grabbing the clips and putting it right on. Okay, and then you can just literally move on to the next section. As I said, I was only doing the front of my hair, so I just literally parted my hair. I'm doing the front because I had an event to go to, and I did not have time to do my whole head. So you're taking your braids and you are twisting, just twisting it towards the back of your head. If it starts to get dry, pump the mousse up, or pump the mousse in your hand, put it on your roots, the roots of your knotless braids. Start twisting, and then start clipping. You want to clip as kind of close to the roots as you can. And I just am clipping it and positioning the prong clips towards going towards the back of my head. But I'm clipping it as close to the roots as I can get it, because I want it nice and tight. Okay, so now pumping, putting a little more in, and I'm gonna put these on my edges. These are actually good for holding your edges. It gives you like a nice little hold. Not really like a hard hold, but like a nice little hold. Putting that on my edges, and then I'm just gonna brush that down, swoop it down. Try to get my baby hairs, And if you want to do your baby hairs, you can do your baby hairs. I just think it looks a little neater when I try to slick down my baby hair. If you want to use gel for this part, you can use gel as well, because I'm definitely going to use the gel. For this one, I use just the Installer gel, and I'm going to take one of those those wrapping sheets, and you can get these at the beauty supply store as well, like $1.99. I'm just taking one, and I am literally tying it kind of like a little headband. So they're called Wrapp-It styling strips, and I'm gonna literally just tie it towards the back. Try to get it as tight as you can. And this is the paper strips, because literally afterwards you can just tear it right off, and it comes right off. And you're using this to hold down the clips and hold down your edges. Okay, now after I do this, I'm about to put a shower cap on, because I need to get in the shower, get ready for the day. Trying to fit all, and this is one of those large shower caps. I have a video where you can get it. I just got mine at CVS. So you can get one at the hair store as well. So now I am all dressed for my event. That was I think I let it sit on for like 30 minutes, but I would say the longer the better. Some people even sit under a dryer. So yeah. Now I am ripping the styling strip off. Okay, so I'm ripped that off. And you see my edges are laid. And now I'm just going to take out each clip. Okay, so you're just going to take out every clip that you've placed in. Try not to forget any clips, because you don't want to be walking out here with clips, these metal clips still in your hair. Okay, so just take your time taking them out. And you can already see the difference. So yeah. And this literally took me under 10 minutes to do. So if I can do it, you definitely can do it. And this is for a gala, a scholarship gala that I had to go to. And everyone kept asking, oh my gosh, your hair looks so nice. When did you get your hair done? I'm like, when did I get my hair done? 2 months ago. So yeah. This is a quick refresh, and look at that. You can't even tell that my braids are 2 months old. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.